a gun. Please watch the video till the end to understand the full concept.
Welcome to Discovering the Hidden Trends in Your Dataset by Dr. J.K. Sachdeva. In this session, we'll start with messy, overwhelming data and slowly turn that chaos into clarity, uncovering patterns, groups, and insights you never knew existed. You're sitting on a mountain of data, but at first glance, it's just noise. Many people get stuck right here, either giving up or creating random charts that don't mean anything. That confusion is incredibly common and stops you from unlocking the real story inside your data.
Insight finding isn't about being a math genius. It's about being curious, approaching your data like a detective, looking for patterns and clues. Your data already has a story, your job is to help it speak. To understand this detective mindset, we'll work with a fictional online store dataset, orders, products, timestamps, and messy real-world details. It's overwhelming at first, but that's exactly why it's the perfect example.
The first, and most important, step is cleaning. Missing values get marked as unknown. Inconsistent categories like t-shirt, and T get standardized. Duplicates get removed. This preps your canvas so the rest of the analysis stands on solid ground. This is where the fun begins, exploratory data analysis. We're not solving the whole mystery yet. We're just gathering clues. Summary stats, histograms, scatter plots. These reveal insights numbers alone hide. Right away, patterns appear. The average order value is pulled up by a few big spanners. The dataset shows to dominant age groups. And our scatter plot uncovers something interesting. Big orders often happen late at night.
Next, we use clustering, a machine learning technique that groups similar customers automatically. You don't tell the model what to find, it discovers the natural clusters all by itself. And the results are eye-opening. We find 3 clear customer groups: weekend deal seekers, weekday workers, and the high-value night owls. These groups weren't obvious earlier, clustering. If you are finding this step-by-step breakdown helpful, take a moment to hit subscribe. I share deep, practical data tutorials every week. THM.
Now we explore what customers buy together. Association rule learning uncovers combinations of items that frequently appear in the same transaction, just like the classic Dataset beer example. And here's the gem. Customers who buy premium coffee beans are over 70% likely to add a gourmet biscotti pack. No promotion, no bundle. This is a natural customer behavior we can immediately act on. Insights only matter if people remember them. That's where storytelling comes in. Use narrative titles, simple graphics, and visual profiles so your audience immediately understands the message.
Instead of a spreadsheet, show a persona card. Instead of a complex association table, show coffee plus biscotti with a bold message. These visuals make your insights impossible to ignore. So here's the journey: clean your dataset, explore it, find segments, uncover hidden behaviors, and turn it all into a powerful story. These strategies work on virtually any dataset. You'll find the story, it's just waiting to be discovered.
Please share the videos of Dr. Sachdeva to your friends who are interested in data.